G'day. About to start lesson 61. We're on week 73 of the journey. So looking back, not a good week last week. I had some tooth issues last week where I had to go get a tooth extracted. So for some reason that knocked me out and didn't make me feel like practicing. So I only got 3 sessions in, total of 1 hour 45. Something that I did do last week though is I finally got around to going and getting my scale sheets laminated. I mentioned in an earlier post about the scale book I use. And I'm only using that really because it's a bit inconvenient to use the scale sheets that I really want to use, but I've got them laminated now so I can. And this is what they look like here. So this is one that I'm not actually using at the moment, but I'm showing it because it's the most colourful of them all. Basically, the idea of these is that the colours indicate notes that you have to be aware of when you're playing the scale. The rest of them are just standard white notes. But these are notes that actually are sharp or flat, or ones that you only play on the way up the scale but not on the way down, that sort of thing. So quite useful to have them colour-coded, I reckon. But anyway, Jane's got sheets like this on her Accelerando Piano website. I'll put a link in the description below. So you can go away there and you can download these for yourself, and if you're interested in scales, I'm sure they'll be quite a useful resource for you. So yeah, and she's got them for the white key majors, which is ones I know how to do at the moment, and also for the harmonic minors, which I haven't learned all of those yet, but I'm working my way through those too. So anyway, very useful resource. Thought I'd point it out, and you can go and take a look if you're interested. Anyway, about time for lesson number 61. Right.